Executive Virtual Assistants or EVA is GVA, pero more specifically, targeting executives. You will be servicing executives. So my question is, who is your target market? We'd often say, gusto ko yung mga executives. Gusto ko yung CEO ng ganito. I want someone with a $1 billion worth of business. Or this is my standard. I want to be at 6 digits. And you know what I found over time is, those are your standard lists. But if we will take a look at what can you produce, what can you do for your client? Let's take a look at the roster of your production as a virtual assistant. Do you have experience already? Do you have any experience servicing executive? So the bottom line is this, and ito yung natutunan ko. Judgment and limiting yourself in applying will work against you. What I would recommend is you have an open mind. You know, I came to a point that I would accept all projects. And yes, I said it, that's me. Dati dumaan ako sa tanggapin natin lahat without even thinking about, teka, bagay ba to sa skill set ko? Or do I still have the bandwidth, the capacity to accept this project? So what I want you to do, instead of limiting yourself sa isang niche or isang industry, unless yun na talaga yung na-service nyo na before, for you to get up and running. No, the only difference dun sa aming class versus other classes probably would be it's results driven. Lahat ng mentors namin already have the results that some aspiring freelancers are looking for. Nagagawa namin yung mga strategies na ina-apply namin sa sarili naming mga negosyo as freelancers. So I want to revert back the question to you. Why do you want to do executive virtual assistants? Are you sure that your target market is just executives, or do you want to do general virtual assistants and tap into different industries? If sure ka na yan talaga yung gusto mong kunin, I would highly recommend that you check out Mia's profile. Mia One specialized when it comes to executive virtual assistants. Or kung sure ka na talaga na gusto mo maging freelancer, hindi ka naman nakafocus lang sa executive virtual assistants, you might want to check Top VIP All Access Pass. It's a 1-year All Access Pass to all of our classes. Both classes, I would guarantee top-notch learning as long as ikaw din willing ka na mag-learn. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!